Good morning. Welcome to another video here at Evergreen Angling Adventures. Today we're at the beautiful Westport. I guess you can't see much right now, but this morning we went over to the beach. We tried to look for sand shrimp for bait. Very unsuccessful. Couldn't find a single hole. So I decided to call the bait dock, and I was like, hey, do you guys have live anchovies? Because that's like the best bait out here. But they said yeah, and so packed our stuff, instantly drove over. Now we got live anchovies and we're gonna fish the jetty. Target species of the day, it'd be sea bass, black sea bass, black rockfish. I'm not sure what you guys are not known, but what you guys know it for, but that's the few names I know it by. But we'll also try to get some lingcod. Some lingcod will be really fun, really tasty. But yeah, wish us luck. I'm out here with my father, my dad, and my brother-in-law, so we'll see if we'll catch some. Water looks absolutely perfect. If you fish out here in Westport, you know that when this side is like this, should be a good bite, especially if you got live bait. What? What? Bro took my bait. This is not fair. Look what he left me with. That's what he left me with. Ow, fuck. Hey, hey. Naka na. Yeah. Woo! Tawa na. Copas pinzas? I'll go take him his fish. Taking a few more bait fish too. Ahí está, para que no tengas que caminar tanto. Tu lazo. Poner en la sombra. Ahí de nada. Okay. Come on, come on, commit. Take it, take it, take it, take it, take it. Oh, there we go. That's one. That's a fish. That's a fish. Oh! So watching this bad boy. Oh yeah. Look at that. Damn. Boy got that hook in there. Okay. Bye. It's a good fish. All right. Hey! I saw that boy go under. Damn! Wow! Esa cona grande. Oh, maybe. Oh, no. Alright, so after that first one I caught, it took it a little bit longer than expected, but I managed to catch more. I caught 3 more black rockfish. No, 2 more. Gave one away. And I actually never caught this species before, so it's pretty cool to catch one. Let me get it out of there. It's a cabezon. It's a pretty good size. Here's one of the other ones. So yeah. Never caught one. I think it's a good size. I'm excited to eat it. And yeah, I'm gonna fillet these up and show you guys how I do it. Alright. So when I fillet the rock bass, I like to just kind of get right behind here. Try to grab as much of the meat that I can. And I go down to the belly. I go behind the fin. And then from here, I can just go straight. Oh, that was not the straightest, but it doesn't matter. It'll work. Alright. And from there, get down to the spine. And I just try my best to make sure that I grab as much of the meat as possible. And then I can wipe my knife on the skin because I don't eat it, so it doesn't matter. Alright. And from there, try to get it as close to the ground as possible. Oh, the ground. Close to the countertop as possible. Skin is really tough, especially if you leave the scales on there. So it allows you to really grab pretty much all the meat. And then they got this rib cage. So kind of like a salmon. Speaking of salmon, can't wait to catch some this year. That wasn't the best, but that's alright. Lost a little bit of meat right there, but that's alright. Then they got a little bit of bones right here. You can just feel them. The last one is just about right here. So you just kind of like a crappie. Poke it out. And you got a boneless, skinless, beautiful white meat sea bass, rock bass, whatever you may call it. Sauce. It's all the same. Maybe I should. Yeah, I'm gonna do this first. And then it's very interesting. Okay. No. I really hope I'm doing this right. Oh. Okay. Oh, come on. Okay. Okay. Going good so far. I think I did it. Okay. got kind of a bluish tint to it. Definitely got more bones than the rockfish. Wait. Oh, it does have ribs. Okay. Felt like it didn't have ribs. Alright, now let's try to get it off the skin. Don't think the skin is as tough as the rockfish, but it's just, I think the bone's attached to the skin. What the heck? Alright. Oh, it is. Okay. Let's clean it up. Very weird. Whoa. Okay. Now I don't know if you guys can see. It's just a line of bones going like pretty far way down. I wonder if I can take it out like this. Oh no, that's no. Guess I just have to do it like a crappie. That's all bones right there. It's awesome. Big old chunk of meat. Now, a cabezón, that's actually a word in Spanish, means big head. And I could say has a pretty big head, so. Alright, so we got our fillets here. They're nice and dry. This is sea bass. This is cabezón. Got a nice blue tint to it. So for breading, there's a little bit of mustard.
just enough to coat it. Kind of use the bag as well. Rub a little bit of the excess off. Now the breading that I'm using is this Cajun two-step. I don't know if you guys know this guy, but he's on TikTok. He's pretty great. Drop these in there. Let those sit for a little bit. Perfect. We can give these guys one more flip. Oh. Okay, sea bass should be ready. Look at that meat in there. So white, so perfect. This was a pretty big piece, so I might let it sit for a little bit longer. Let's go ahead and add these two. Alrighty. Go ahead and let these guys drain a little bit. So we got the black rockfish, we got the cabezon. Super excited for that. Made some topping for it. I think I diced up some pickles, some mayo, a little bit of sour cream, dill, and then salt and pepper. Let's go ahead and try this beautiful cabezon. Still a little hot. Oh yeah, it's steaming. Ooh. Oh man. Cheers, guys. Wow. Oh wow. That is absolutely delicious. Oh man. Definitely recommend you guys. If you catch one, keep it. Limit where I was. Area 2 was allowed to keep one. Wasn't necessarily fishing for them, but thank God I caught one, because these are delicious. Alright, well, we tried the cabezon. Now let's give, oh man, oh, just how flaky and just perfect it is. Let's give the rockfish a go. I know it's gonna be good. I love rockfish since I was a kid. Cheers, guys. So good. The main difference between cabezon and rockfish that I find is black rockfish. This one's kind of holds its figure more, and when you like chew it, it's a little bit tougher. It's not like chewy to where like it's kind of like a discomfort to eat. Like it's not at all. It's not a discomfort at all. It's really nice. It's just a little bit tougher, but it's still really soft. However, the black rockfish just melts. And just when you chew it, it's like there's no force behind it at all, and it's just, yeah. That's why I love it so much. But cabezon, definitely a must to try. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and finish eating this. That's the video. That'll be it for the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what else you guys would like to see. Definitely gonna go hit the Jetti more now that the bait dock is open. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and yeah, see you in the next one.